Hi guys, now we are discussing about history of Java. Sun Microsystem basically Sun Microsystems designed Java in 1990. The person who took part in creating such a great language was James Gosling in James Gosling. There was another name. The first name was given to Java was Oak. And you know that later on, before Java was came into being, Oak language was already existing. So the name was from Oak to changed from Oak to Java in 1994. Java was publicly released in the month of May on the 27th day of 27th day in 1997. Java was focused on browser based platform. Because of that, internet programming and development was possible. A Netscape communicator was the first applet runner. No, basically you can say on browser. Now 5 billion devices use Java, or maybe more devices all over the world. The enhanced versions of Java JDKs Java JDK Java Development Kit is 1.7, and as you know that 1.8 is also marketed. So I think this brief history in which you will come to know about basically Java is also an island. So at do not mix this with that island. So Java is a language basically, and just these points we want to just share with you. So I think you will like this history, this brief history. There's a lots of elements if you want to go through, but the time restricts us, so we are going to just include up till here. So thanks for watching. If you talk about the goals of Java language, you can see that we have found some goals. First of all, object oriented, a single can be run or executed on multiple platforms, or you can say operating system. Network programming was supported comprehensively, and it is very, you can say, robust to use, easy and robust to use. These are some facts about Java language. So I hope that goals of Java language, why Java is used. If we talk about introduction to Java, there are some similarities with the old procedural languages. Uh, Similarities with C and C++, uh, including syntax structure. You can say that write once, run anywhere, and you can say this first of all, that means the similarities in C and C. Those who are familiar with C and C++, you can say that C language and C++ is more or less, you can say, the same thing, but you just need to just change the cascading styles. In C and C++, you use printf. In C, you use C out, console out. You use printf as well in Java as well. And so you know the whole structure. Then switch statement is there, your brackets open and begin and end brackets are there, the main is there. Okay, all the functions are similar with the Java, and so there is no harm in learning Java. And this is GUI too, but uh, different people have different flavors and different styles to learn things and to create things. So this is just two uh, things I'm going to just share with you. Java is open source. Java Development Kit, JDK. Then you have Java Software Development Kit, and standard editions are available. Software Development Kit, SDK. Then Java Runtime Environment, JRE. So basically JDK is a subset of SDK. If you want to run Java, you need to have all these three things: Java Development Kit, Software Development Kit, and Java Runtime Environment. If your machine does not support any of these things, that means your machine needs to install the capabilities of Java Runtime Environment so that all JDKs and SDKs will be able to install. Now the question is, why use Java? There are lots of reasons. Basically, there are three main things which led Java to use as a common programming environment and language. The first one is portability, then simplicity of coding, and the third one is widespread use, especially in web development. Web development. And Java is completely portable between different operating systems such as Mac, Linux, and Windows. And as far as the code is concerned, you write only one partially finished after it is used and compiled by the programmer. And especially, you know that the rest of the work is performed by the user. And choosing the Java virtual machine, JVM adds and commands specific to the operating system, and it is required to install on to make the program run correctly for that operating system. And such Java JVM for a Macintosh, the program can run correctly for that operating system. So you can install JVM and will add in Macintosh specific code, and the JVM for Windows, I will add Windows specific code. So this is the usefulness of